Good morning. So there are way too many birds in here. I have to start selling some. But the idea was that I would raise them until they were no longer babies. That way other people could immediately put them outside. Let's see how it's going. Okay. The geese need to be moved into the bigger coop. They're getting too big for this. But they love their little chicks so much that I feel bad. Hi, good morning. Good morning, Gus. Good morning, Goo. They're the same age as those chicks to the day. See how big the geese are. And then I did start keeping some of the chicks in the big run. You can see some of the tiny ones in there. I started filling little tubs with water so they can have more space to swim during the day because it has been very hot. 90 degrees several days in a row. Wow, look at all of you birdies. Come on out. Get some more space. That duck is starting to feather out. And that one too. Hey, Inky, Mommy. Where'd all the babies go? Hi, Inky. They're right there. Seems like they're afraid to go by me. Here comes one of them. That loud peeping. Two little babies in there still. Come on, little duckling. And they will squeak like that until they're right back with Inky. So the oldest of these ducklings, you can see like that big one with the group of smaller ones, is about 2 weeks old. And there have been ducklings every couple of days from the incubator. And off they go to the pasture area. And into my garden. Oh boy. Every morning I have to chase the tiny ones out of the garden. It would be a good idea for me to put chicken wire around the bottom of my vegetable garden where it is connected to the chicken run and duck run. Because the babies can get in there and they keep eating all of my micro kale, which they are doing right now. And then, I've had a couple fall into the cinder block bricks. Like here you can see that these are full to the top, and I planted some stuff in there. But some of the other ones lining the outside are still empty because I haven't had a chance to fill them in with soil or mulch. And every now and then I hear that high-pitched squeaking of a duck that's in distress, and I have to go fish it out. But now I know to listen for that. And I also know that it's a problem to have, these are I think 2-inch by 3-inch sections of fencing, because the babies can fit through that. So another thing on the list of things to do. Good morning, bigger ducks. That one little yellow one is a little tiny duckling over here. Then there's Punky over to the right. Willow, the brown one, preening herself over back there. And the 4 that are around the little tub are the ones that were born on April 1st. And then the little tiny one by Punky, trying to cuddle with Punky. Punky's like, go away. That's just a couple days old. And then, oh, you found your way out. Want me to help you find your mommy? That's the mama scream. The chicks do not feel like they need their mama. They are fine on their own. Whereas the ducklings really do. Hello, baby. Come here. Okay. Let's go find your mommy. Hi! See, Inky hears it. Here, Inky, I have one. This is just another view of the garden from around the back of the pasture. My next morning chore, get the ducklings out of the garden. It is very cute to watch. Okay, until the next time.